guys, welcome back. So I'm pretty sure this is the last track I have by Perma. So it's Hadashi Tengoku. So it's another track I really know nothing about. So I did just watch a quick video just to see the direction of the layout. I've done very little laps here, so basically this video you'll see me try and actually learn a track. So with that, let's jump in. So once again, back in the Swarm S13. So all I really know about this track, I saw they were doing backies, entering this corner. So then it comes up around here. This looks like a cut in there, but they were going the long way down the bottom. I don't know why I call it the bottom, but down here. And then they wouldn't actually cut through that section, but we might be able to go. And then come back around and back onto the straight. I thought that actually said something, but I think it was just Windows. So yeah, like I said, I've done a few laps, but not many. So we'll just take it easy. So second. Alright, I need to go slower there. Cut the bottom part. So yeah, they'll somehow getting backies down there. Right, so I have to go slower here. Out to the tires. Cut the grass. Just cut that concrete. Alright, so if we go out wide, just don't have the speed to try and get up. So slowly starting to get to the layout of the track, but keep that out wide. Not exactly how I wanted, so you're gonna remember to slow down here or just fall out of the drift. And if I use third here, it will get me more speed. And then I might be able to flick it around down the bottom here, so maybe I'll try that. Alright, second. Rotate into a tire. Don't know if you're not meant to cut concrete or not, but alright. So third. Yeah, so third feels a lot better through there. I think I have to be second for that section. I don't really have a choice but not to cut that concrete. Just loop it when I change to third. Alright. Third. Very bumpy there. Unsettles the car a lot. Alright, second. Pull it through this section. Cut that concrete. Alright. Third, try and build some speed. Almost. I should have done some research on this track before making this, but thought I'd jump in and give it a go. And oh, it should be third. Third. I had too many bumps. I went all over the place. I guess this is my process of learning to drive. Just try different gears and see what works and see what I can link together. Alright, third. Oh, I got too much speed. I'm gonna try this inside part. So that's a very tight transition there. Alright, so we can do third back here. I want to have to get this section right. Front lock, front lock. Up to the wall. Let's just try third. Let's just try clutch from off here. I will get that eventually. I missed the steering wheel. Alright, third. Still not right. I'm gonna go over the tires. Alright, second. Third. It's so bumpy up there. If I would have gone second, I could have claimed that as a 360. I have a couple more goes, but this might be a track to revisit once I've had a bit more practice and make another video once I get that entry right. Alright, third. Way in the wrong spot. Alright, keep it tight here, because I don't want to run over this tires again. Cut that concrete. Third. It's like I can almost get it, just can't follow through at the end. This track is very bumpy though, and I'm definitely feeling it through the wheel. Alright, second, handbrake, third. No. Alright, I'm gonna have one more go. Second. My tires are getting cooked. It's not displayed on there. Alright, third. Hold that. Oh, I think that's the best I'm going to get for the moment. It is an interesting little track. Like, it's very tight. I wonder if it's actually a go-kart track. Like, this part's, yeah, they're just little corners and whatnot, but it's definitely this section here. It's so bumpy. Thanks for watching, guys.